Hello everyone, I welcome you all in this video. History Chapter 5 Social and Religious Reforms Part 2. See students, earlier video we have learnt about social reformers and establishment of organization like Brahmo Samaj, Prarthana Samaj, Satyashodhak Samaj, Arya Samaj, Ramakrishna Mission, even like the work done towards society, special contribution, even some rituals as well as the customs which were criticized, and expected all social reformers society should be based on equality. Remaining points which are given in this topic we are going to study in this video. See, we were in the emancipation of women part. Here, emancipation of women for gaining permission to widow remarriage, Pandit Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, Vishnu Shastri Pandit, and Viresh Lingam Pantlu. Yes, his image is given here. Viresh Lingam Pantlu took up special efforts. Should not forget, three social reformers who work a lot like to bring change in the widow's life, that is widow remarriage. Pandit Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, Vishnu Shastri Pandit, and Viresh Lingam Pantlu took special efforts. After that, in his newspaper, Sudharak is the name of newspaper of Gopal Ganesh Agarkar, gave his staunch opinion, like the straightforward, without compromising, his opinion about child marriage, how that is harmful for the life of children, even the future also can spoil because of this concept, child marriage. Law of consent, law of consent. Yes, means like the taking opinions of the all people. He set up like the one law, like the way what should be and what should not be. Maharishi Vittal Ramji Shinde organized a conference against the practice of Devdasi system. Even today is a part of our society, like as a Dev, God, Dasi means a servant, God a servant, and like the whole life that person means man or the woman spending on the name of the God, and their condition was not good at all in the society. Somewhere respect had given, but somewhere like they faced the physical as well as the verbal and the religious problems face in their life. In her book Stri Purush Tulna, Tarabai Shinde very fiercely put up her views about women's right. Stri Purush Tulna, book written by Tarabai Shinde. After here, Maharishi Dhondo Keshav Karve started the Ananta or the Anath Balika Ashram, an orphanage for girls. Anath Balika Ashram, an orphanage for girls. His intention was to give education to all women and make them stand on their own feet, like the economical support had given. Through his efforts, the first women's university was set up in 20th century. Women's Miss College or the women's education purpose university was set up. Pandita Ramabai founded the Sharda Sadan and took up the responsibility of taking care of disabled children and women. Those were the helpless, had taken under shelter or given shelter, the food, clothing, and the economical support also had given such children and women. Even students, Ramabai Randre through the medium of a Seva Sadan Institute started the nursing course for women. She demanded the right to vote for women. Through articles, Dr. Ambedkar spoke about the injustice towards women. Mahatma Gandhi also advocated education of women. Women have given valuable contribution during the freedom movement. We are going to study coming some chapters like the women's contribution in the emancipation as well as the changing life of other women. Women's reform movement help in the closing down many unjust practices. Earlier, like as a video, we have discussed that unjust practices, sati system, dowry system, or the child marriages or the widow marriages against like the some rules were made in the society. These all unjust practices in the society, the voice for the problems against the women broke out in the 19th century and the beginning of the 20th century. Women started putting up their own thoughts through their writings, who were not allowed to learn write, like they started writing and they expressed their problems through writing. Their performance in the every sector of life flourished due to education. So the importance of the education they understood, and they become active in the society for bringing some changes in the society. Students, religious reforms among the Muslims. Abdul Latif started the social reform among the Muslim community. Abdul Latif, he established the Mohammedan Literary Society in Bengal. Yes, like they established the Mohammedan Literary Society in Bengal. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan founded the Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental College. It later developed into the Aligarh Muslim University. He advocated Western science and technology with the religious education, like as a science education and the technological education also is necessary, he said. He firmly believed that Muslims could make progress only by studying modern education and science. So students, of our life also, the science should become base. Without science, we should not go ahead, because science gives the correct path and mold our life. Here, movement in the Hindu society. In 1915, Hindu Mahasabha was established to give a respectable position to the Hindu community. Hindu Mahasabha. Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya laid the foundation of Banaras Hindu University. Yes, Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya laid the foundation of Banaras Hindu University. Dr. Keshav Baliram Hedgewar in 1925 established Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh at Nagpur. His image is given here, see, you can remember. Its aim was to set up a disciplinary and virtuous human values with organization of Hindu youth. Vinayak Damodar Savarkar built the Patit Pawan temple at Ratnagiri. Patit Pawan temple at Ratnagiri open to all castes of Hindu religion to bring equality in all people, like the avoiding or the stopping discrimination on the basis of caste. Common dining program, langar, were also arranged during that period. Not only these students, do you know one fact is given here, the manifestation, opinion of the Renaissance or the changes in the society in other areas also are given here. Just as the reform movement, the development in the various fields of literature, art and science during the Renaissance period is also important. In the field of literature, Rabindranath Tagore, and in the field of science, C.V. Raman received the Nobel Prize. The two great Indian people got Nobel Prize, and this gave us an idea of the progress in India. This progress was responsible for building up modern India. Stories, novels gave inspiration to gain independence. They also expressed thoughts on the social reforms, and today we study and we are studying here. Not only these students, during this period the women also took up writing. Tarabai Shinde, Three Purush Tulna book you can take an example. New newspapers and the magazines became a source of social reform and the political awakening. There was development in the fields of art as well as music became more popular. Indian style or the Western techniques were combined, and a new social school of painting came forward. Art, literature, painting, dance. Many books also were written based on science based, religion based. Many books were composed. With that one, the science based many books were written during that period. People started realizing that experimentation and the scientific attitude were important for the progress of the country. Not only students for the progress of the country, for our development of life, the science based outlook or the scientific attitude we should develop. Yes, Hope that one you will follow and you will use like such type of attitude in your life. So students, in this history of the modern Miss India, in a moment of the Renaissance is very important, like the contribution of the social reformers or the changes which had brought and came in the society. Everything was important on the principles of the liberty, equality and the nationalism. This like the values or these are the principles introduced by these all social reformers and organizations. The Indian social reformers set up a nationwide political movement, and like the study of the movement will be dealt or will discuss in the next chapter. So students, hope that you understood the maximum points which are given in this topic. Yes, and the emancipation of the women or the movement in the Hindu society, and like the other facts also are the discussed that one. So students, you have to read this topic carefully, take care of yourself and your family members, even means like that take care of your miss neighbors also. So students, you have miss read this topic carefully. If any doubt is there, you can ask miss individually also. And exercise which is given to the Google Classroom, that you have to write down in your notebook and prepare miss well. And soon we'll meet.